Hello, my name is Blanca and today we will go over on how to properly assess a skin fold measurement. To start off, we need to make sure that our caliper is calibrated, so we're going to get that object that kind of looks like a stair and place it on our caliper, and it needs to be on 10. The second one needs to be on 30. So once you make sure that they have those numbers, you're good to go and we know that our caliper is calibrated. A quick note, make sure you always take the measurements on the right side of the body and that the caliper is vertical. And also that the individual always remains standing. The rotation order of the skin fold sites will be the abdominal, then the triceps, then the chest, then the mid-axillary, then the subscapular, the suprailiac, and finally the thigh. Your first step is to wiggle the skin, then you're going to pull as hard as you can with the tip of your fingers. Insert the caliper vertically and maintain the pinch while reading the caliper for 2 seconds. The abdominal skin fold side will be measured to the right of the umbilicus 2 centimeters. After the first measurement, you need to repeat 2 more times. You will need to retest if measurements are not within 1 to 2 millimeters. For the triceps skin fold side, we're going to measure on the posterior midline of the upper arm. As we can see here, she had an estimate of about 30. For the chest skin fold side, we're going to measure 1/3 of the distance on the anterior axillary line and the nipple. Her measurement is about 20 millimeters. The mid-axillary skin fold side is measured horizontally to the level of the xiphoid and sternum border in the mid-axillary line. For the subscapular skin fold side, we will measure about 2 centimeters below the inferior angle of the scapula. We recorded the skin fold 3 times and all of them gave a similar result of about 30. The suprailiac skin fold side will be measured superior to the iliac crest. Remember to wiggle the skin, then pull as hard as you can with the tip of your fingers so that you can insert the caliper vertically. As we can see here, we have not removed the pinch and we see that her measurement gives about 15. The thigh skin fold measurement will be at the anterior midline of the thigh, between the proximal border of the patella and the hip. For the skin fold measurements, remember that you'll always take 3 trials and they have to be within 1 to 2 millimeters. Then you're going to take the average of each side, which is add to 3 and divide by 3. After taking the average of each one, take the sum of the 7 skin fold average measurements, which in this case gave us 167. For the skin fold equations, BD stands for body density, BF for body fat, and BW for body weight. There is a difference for the skin fold equation for men and female, and as you can see, the difference is that they have different numbers in each of their respective equation. In this case, we measured on a female, so we just need to input the sum of the 7 skin folds on the respective formula, and we had a total body density of 1.03. Once we calculated body density, now we can calculate the percentage of body fat by using the Zeri equation and the Brozek equation. Also, the differences between Zeri equation and Brozek equation is that they have different numbers in their equation, but they are both used to provide an accurate conversion of body density, but Brozek equation is considered to be more accurate. For both, we just need to input body density. So for the Zeri equation, we got a body fat percentage of 30.6, and for the Brozek equation, we got a body fat percentage of 29.5. Thank you for watching.